Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Associate Discount Card in store. To begin, simply present your valid Associate Discount Card to the cashier at any checkout lane. Make sure your Associate Identification Number is clearly visible. The standard 10% discount will then be applied to all eligible merchandise in your purchase. This process is straightforward and ensures you receive your well-deserved associate benefit on qualifying items every time you shop. Understanding what items qualify for your discount is key. Generally, most general merchandise, such as apparel, home goods, and electronics, will receive the 10% reduction. However, it's important to note that certain categories are typically excluded. These often include groceries, tobacco products, alcoholic beverages, and gift cards. Always consult the official associate discount policy for a complete and up-to-date list of non-discountable items to avoid any surprises at the register. A great benefit is that your associate discount can often be combined with other ongoing store promotions and manufacturer coupons, maximizing your savings. When paying, you have the flexibility to use various methods, including cash, credit cards, or debit cards. Just ensure the cashier has scanned your discount card before they finalize the transaction. This simple step guarantees your 10% off is applied correctly, making your shopping experience even more rewarding. If you encounter any issues or find that your discount hasn't been applied, don't hesitate to speak up. Immediately inform the cashier so they can rectify the situation. If problems persist, double-check your associate status and ensure your card is valid and active. For more complex issues or persistent concerns, your store's People Lead or Human Resources Department is the best resource to provide further assistance and clarify any policy details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.